Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm out here trying to get a little storage box put together to put on this smoker. I got this piece of plate I'm trying to bend up. I got some score marks on it. I just about flipped the table over right here. So I had to regroup and kind of look at that again. But I got it all bent up and put together. It's supposed to be a small storage box that'll go above the horizontal chamber on the smoker, that they could put spices in and random stuff. I'm trying to get it folded all the way around, and then I'll tack the sides into it. I got it put together here, at least tacked. And I'm trying to set it up here and see how I'm going to fit it in. That's kind of where it goes right there. Getting the door cut into it here. I'm just using the grinder, just keep less mess, less heat. I'm sure the plasma would have been faster. Then I split that door down, and this is the framing that I'm going to put on it. And this little box is made with 12 gauge. Doing the double door like this, one side will have all 4 sides framed, and the other will have 3 sides, because the lip off the front one will cover it. I'm at kind of a standstill right now on it because I was waiting to hear back on another cabinet to put on the side of it. Alright, a quick look at how I'm trying to mount this up here. I know it looks unusual, and I think that's just because I haven't seen one like this before. But this is what I'm doing. I got a lot of stuff under there just to get it up to the right height. All that'll come out. It's just sitting there right now. And then I ran a couple pieces up from the back and backed up to there, so it's kind of lined up with the back side of the smoker. Now I just need to get some brackets that'll come on the side right here somehow. Of course, I put this, let that stick out where it'd be right in the way. And then somehow I'll attach over here to the smoke pipe too. I'm gonna have to make it a little bit taller. Can you see that? Watching Critters 2 on the TV. But yeah, some way to connect to that smoke pipe. And some kind of bracket over here. And I think we'll be good. That'll be enough to hold it on there. Everything's clearing with the door. You'll be able to come out right there. It'll be easy to reach into. Yeah. just figure out how to mount it now. All right, everything came out real good on it. It's got clearance for that door. I say it looks a little unusual just because I'm not used to doing it one like that. But I am liking the way it looks up there. This thing is coming along. Got some doors to do on the vertical. Several small things to do here and there. But I should have it all put together soon. I guess that'll do it on this one. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.